Morning to all. Today our chapter is trigonometric identities from class 10 book, that is ML overall book, exercise 810. Okay, that is ICC class 10 ML overall book, exercise 810, number 19 number. Let's to see question number 9 what is given here. You have to prove 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a square root is equal to tan a plus a. This type of question you have to rationalize the denominator. 19 ka first part, second part also same type. Okay, let me solve one by one. Number 19 ka first part and second part. First of all, write left hand side 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a whole root over. Rationalizing the denominator, multiplying 1 plus sin a both numerator as well as denominator. 1 minus sin a whole into 1 plus sin, it will be how much? 1 minus sin square a. The numerator will be 1 plus sin a whole into 1 plus, that means 1 plus sin a ka whole square. As you know, 1 minus sin square formula is what? Cos square a. Now, this root over will vanish. 1 plus sin a by cos a, as it is given whole square, here also whole square. 1 plus sin a by cos a. Now, just separate the fraction. 1 by cos plus sin a by cos. 1 by cos means what? Sec a. Sin a by cos, tan a, which is equal to right hand side. Let us solve 19 number second part. What is given? First you copy the question. Number 19, second part. Question given 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a whole root over is equal to cosec a minus cot a. Cosec a minus, this is the question given. The first of all you have to write left hand side. The left hand side given 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a whole root over. You have to rationalize the denominator, multiplying 1 minus cos a both up and down. 1 minus cos a whole into 1 minus cos a. And the denominator will be 1 plus cos a whole into 1 minus cos a. Now, all inside the root over. The numerator will be 1 minus cos a ka whole square. Numerator becomes 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. This will be 1 minus cos square a whole root over. Now write 1 minus cos a ka whole square. 1 minus cos square means what? Sin square root over. Now, as there is whole square given and root over given, that means this will be 1 minus cos a by sin a. Just separate the fraction. 1 by sin minus cos a by sin. Now 1 by sin means what? Cosec a. Cos a by sin means that is cot a, which is nothing but your right hand side. It is proved. Let us go question number 20. Question number 20 ka first part, it is given sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1 whole root over plus sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1 whole root over equal to 2 cosec a. You have to write, prove. First of all, copy the left hand side. What is given? Sec a minus 1, I am writing separately root over. Sec a minus 1 root over by sec a plus 1 root over. Here also same thing. Sec a plus 1 ka root over by sec a minus 1 root over. Just take LCM. The LCM will be sec a plus 1 sec a minus 1 root over. And this will be sec a minus 1 plus, if you will multiply this one, this will be sec a plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. Sec a plus sec a means 2 sec a. The denominator will be sec square a minus 1. Sec square a minus 1 ka root over. As you know the formula, sec square a minus 1 is what? Tan square a. Tan square means tan a it will be. Yes or no? Tan square root over tan a. 2 sec means 2 by cos. 1 by sec means cos, 1 by cos, sec means 1 by cos, tan means sin a, by cos A. By cos A cancel. 2 by sin means left 2 by sin, which is nothing but 2 cosec A, which is your right hand side. Number 20 first part complete. Let us go question number 20 का second part. First to see what is 20 का second part given. You have to prove cos A into cot A. Cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin A equal to 1 plus cosec A. 1 plus cosec A. This is the question. The first right left hand side, what is given? The left hand side given cos A into cot A. Cot means what? Cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. I am writing down sin A whole into 1 minus sin A. It is clear? Just I am breaking cot means cos by sin. Cos A by sin A. And cos A into cos A means what? Cos square A. Cos square means I can write 1 minus sin square A by sin A whole into 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin square formula is cos square A. Sorry. 1 minus sin square means you have to write 1 minus sin 1 plus sin by sin A whole into 1 minus sin. This 1 minus sin A cancel. What left? 1 plus sin A by sin A. Now just separate the fraction. 1 by sin, that will be cosec A, plus sin A by sin means what? That is 1, which is nothing but your right hand side. Proved. 20 का first part, second part complete. Let's go 20, 21. 21 first part you have to prove 1 plus tan A by sin A plus 1 plus cot A by cos A equal to 2 whole into sec A plus cos A. This is the question. First write left hand side. What is give left hand side? 1 plus tan A by sin A. Tan means what? Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A divided by sin A. Now plus 1 plus cot. Cot means what? Cos A by sin A divided by cos A. Now after taking LCM, this will be cos A plus sin A by cos A sin A. Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into sin A plus this will be sin A plus cos A by sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. Okay. The LCM will be cos into sin A or sin A into cos A. The LCM will be sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. This and this is same thing. That means cos A plus sin A. The numerator will be cos A plus sin A plus sin A plus. That means this will be 2 whole into cos A plus sin A. Now, if I separate the fraction cos A by sin A cos A, means 1 by sin means cosec A. And second one sin A by sin A cos A, means sin cancel, 1 by cos means sec A, which is nothing but your right hand side. 21 का first part completed. Let's go 21 का second part. Second part question given, you have to prove sec to the power 4A minus tan to the power 4A equal to 1 plus 2 tan square A. Have to write left hand side. Sec to the power 4A, you can write here like this, sec square A the whole square minus tan to the power 4 means I can write tan square A the whole square. Just apply A square minus B square formula. That is sec square A minus tan square A. Second one, this will be sec square A plus tan square A. A square minus B square formula is what? A minus B whole into A plus B. Sec square A minus tan square is what? 1. Finally, you are getting sec square A plus tan square A. And you have to prove right hand side 1 plus 2 tan square A. That means you have to break sec square A. Sec square means 1 plus tan square A plus tan square A. Finally, you are getting tan square A plus tan means 1 plus 2 tan square A. 1 plus 2, which is your right hand side. Okay, let us go next question. 22 का फर्स्ट पार्ट गिवन यू हैव टू प्रूव cosec to the power 6a minus cot to the power 6a is equal to 3 cot square into cosec square plus 1. Okay, plus 1. What are left hand side? Your left hand side given cosec to the power 6a. You write like this: cosec square a whole cube minus cot to the power 6. You can write here cot square a का whole cube. Just you apply a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b, that is cosec square a minus cot square a whole into a square means cosec square का whole square. This will be cosec to the power 4a minus cosec square cot square, cosec square into cot square plus cot to the power 4a. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b whole into a square minus a, sorry, plus ab plus b square. Now cosec square minus cot square is 1. Finally, you are getting cos to the power 4. Just write here cosec square a का whole square and cot to the power 4 means you can write here cot square a का whole square plus cosec square a into cot square a. Now you have to apply here a square plus b square. A square plus b square you have to apply like this. A minus b का whole square means a means here cosec square a minus cot square a. A minus b का whole square. A square plus b square means a minus b का whole square plus 2ab plus 2 cosec square a into cot square a. Already it was present plus cosec square a into cot square a. Now as you know cosec square minus cot square equal to 1, 1 का whole square. 2 cosec square into cot square and plus cosec square a into cot means 3 cosec square a into cot square a. So finally you are getting 3 cosec square a into cot square a plus 1, which is your right hand side. Thank you for today class. Next day I will do more stuff.